So this is already cooked. My recipe for today is mix organic vegetables, corns, eggplants, sponge gourd, paprika, capsicum or green chilies with leaves, ampalaya leaves or bitter gourd leaves, spinach, and beans leaves. And I forget there is also beans here. So I have to turn off now the flame, so because this is already cooked. I will cook this one and I will add some vegetables, especially these leaves of what you call this bitter gourd leaves. Five pieces, I already boiled it. And this is good because it's still soft and first harvest also. So this is the way I remove, like that. And then make like that. So next this one. I will start now to cook. So these are all the ingredients. These are all organic vegetables. Corns, onions, garlics, beans, leaves, chilies or capsicum or what you call this, paprika, one eggplant, one sponge gourd, ampalaya leaves, spinach, and cherry tomatoes. So we'll start now to saute. Oil is already hot, so we'll put now this onion first. Onions and garlics is already brown now. I will put now this cherry tomatoes. Tomatoes is already paste. Now we can put now this grated corns. And also this beans, sitaw. It's already hard, this not so hard, but it's already become yellow, so I remove seeds. Later on, I just only add seasoning, only soy sauce and salt. There is no China salt or Ajinomoto or Bitsin or Magic Sarap. Now let's check. Now we can put now also this sponge guard, patola, kabatiti sa Ilocano, and tori in Urdu, or yes, in Urdu, or we call it here also in our village, tori. And then this eggplant, talong, vegan, they call it vegan here. Ayan, so, and next this one. And after this one, I will put these leaves because this is easy to cook, so we have to cover it. In another container, another wok, I'm cooking now rice because this is for lunch. This is for our lunch. I'm sure they like this one because all organic vegetables. Now we can put now these leaves. Beans, leaves, and then ampalaya leaves. Ayan, dahon-dahon. And spinach. Then we have to cover it. Now we'll season now with soy sauce. And salt. Now we have to cover again. And ito na yung aking rice. Ano na, ihahain ko na lang slow fire. Ayan. Cover natin. So ito, paluto na din ito.